Welcome to the first exercise. In the first lesson, I'll be teaching you how to make a beautiful phone wallpaper. Liquify and blur will be used. The wallpaper will come out as a colorful picture with beautiful color gradation. Now, let's add a project by clicking plus sign here. Select screen size. When you are on this page, you can choose the background color. You can choose any color you want. In this first exercise, I want you to play with the colors as much as you want. I will choose pink because I like pink. I got the background color. Now let's choose Freya Solid Hard Brush. And you can choose any color. I want a bright color. Increase the size of the brush a bit and then dot it like this. Let's make about 5 colors dot. Or you can add more colors if you want. Okay, that's about it. Now we go to Modify. Choose Adjustment, then Blur. Gaussian blur. Adjust it to the right, like this. Go to Adjustments again, choose Retouch. Liquify. I'll go to Settings first. Adjust the brush size to be large. After that, I'll choose Expand Mode. I'll make some parts bigger. Wow, it's very beautiful. We haven't done anything much, but it's very beautiful already. I like it a lot. After that, I'll choose Push Mode. I won't force everyone to use the same mode I'm using. You can play around with it as you like. I want some areas to be large and some areas to have lots of colors. You can change it back and forth. There are more settings to adjust. Try to adjust it and play around with it. Let's go back to Push. There is no wrong or right. If you feel okay, you like it, that's it. I think mine is okay and is beautiful enough. Now we have a beautiful color, but I think it's not enough yet. We can put some more in it. Go to Adjustments, select Effects and Chromatic Aberration. You can choose either Perspective or Displace. Don't forget to adjust it to the right. Can you see the difference? It now has an iridescent rainbow color added to it. Wow, it's very beautiful. You can choose Displace if you want. Very beautiful. I want to move it a little bit, just a little bit. I use Displace. You can either choose Perspective or Displace. It's up to you. Okay, I'm satisfied. Now, if you use Displace, it will have a border here, see? Don't worry about it, just go back to Modify. Choose Transform. Then enlarge the picture a bit so that the edges fall past the canvas, making the border disappear. Once you're satisfied, click Transform again. Okay, there we have it. If you're satisfied with how it is now, that's fine, but I would like to put a little more texture on it. Go to Modify. And again Adjustments. Then Effects. Choose Noise. Adjust it to the right. It has a dotted surface now. See? Looks more interesting. It looks like a printed picture, and it doesn't look too plain too. This is totally up to you. Do it the way you like. I like mine now. Click Apply and Exit. Now we have a beautiful phone wallpaper. How is it? I think it's very easy. To share it as a wallpaper, go to Actions. Choose Share, then Share Image. JPEG, the fourth option. Next, Save Image. Let's go to our photo album. Press the Share icon in the bottom left corner and select Use as Wallpaper. Here, we got it. It's very beautiful. Click Set. Now we've got a lock screen wallpaper. It's very beautiful and it's very easy to make.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like or leave a comment and subscribe to my channel. As a thank you, loyal subscribers receive a 10% discount on my Procreate Pocket Beginner. Check the description for coupon code. See you in the next video.